In this video lecture, we will be seeing questions from practice paper 2 of mathematics. In this video, we will be doing 2-mark questions. Okay. In the last video, I had uploaded 8-mark questions of practice paper 2. If you haven't watched, you can go and watch. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to this channel and also share this video with your friends. Okay. So the first question is, find the HCF of 36 and 54 by prime factorization method. HCF means highest common factor. How we have to find out HCF of 36 and 54? By which method? Prime factorization method. Prime factorization method means you have to take out the factorization of 36 and factorization of 54 by using prime numbers. That is the meaning of prime factorization method. So you have to use prime numbers only. So 36 means I can use 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 6, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. So how can I write 36 as? I can write 36 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now similarly, find out the prime factorization of 54. Here we have 4 in the units place. So here also I will find out with 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1, 4. 2 7s are 14. Now 27 will go in 3 table. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So I can express 54 as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now HCF of 36 and 54 is equals to, remember, HCF means whatever prime factors I have in common, that is called as HCF. Okay, so here between this 2 and this 2, 1 2 I will take common, and that I will write here. Then also I have 3 in prime factors of 36 and also I have 3 in prime factors of 54. So from this 3 and this 3 also I will take 1 3 out. Then similarly 1 3 is here and another 3 is here. So again between the 1 3 1 3 1 3 is common. Now this is only 1 2 we have, and we don't have any 2's remaining in 54. Similarly only 1 3 we have in 54. We don't have any 3's in 36. So only this is my HCF. I should multiply these. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So what is my HCF of 36 and 54? 18. Understood? So remember, HCF means taking out only commons between the two numbers. Okay? Don't take both. Take any one from these two. Again, any one from these two. Any one from these two. Okay? Moving to second question. If A is equals to 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 7, draw the Venn diagram of A union B. So here A values are given and B values are given. Okay. So what to do? We have to draw Venn diagram of A union B. So how to draw Venn diagram? Venn diagram is always drawn in a rectangular box. Okay, and in the right corner we will write mu. Okay, this is symbol is mu, and then I'll write circles. Okay, and since it is A union B, and we can see that between A and B we have 3 is common in A as well as 3 is common in as element of B. So I will intersect these both circles. Intersect means these both circles are meeting together. This circle is for set A, this circle is for set B. So whatever elements are there in A, I will write in this circle, and what is common I will write in between A and B. So what is common between A and B? This 3 and this 3 is common, right? Only 3 is common. So here I have written 3. Now write the remaining elements. 0, 1, 3, 5, 6 is there in A. And also 1 is common in between A and B. So write here only 1. Okay, 0, 5, 6 I have written here. Similarly here what is left? 2 and 7. This is 2 and 7. Now one more thing, that it is union. Union means elements of A as well as elements of B. So I should be shading all the elements of A and B. Okay, that is the Venn diagram of A union B. Now you should write below it A union B is equals to, you should write all the elements together one time in order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Only one time I am writing. See, 1 I am writing one time, 3 I am writing one time. Union means all the elements of A and B. So this is my Venn diagram of A union B. Third question, write the formula to find nth term of AP and explain all the terms in it. Now, this formula is very important because we have seen that in practice paper 1 and practice paper 2, sums based on nth term of AP were given. Okay, so what is the formula to find out nth term of AP? The formula is nth term of AP is given by n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. And what it is telling us? To explain all the terms in it also. That is, I should write what is an, what is a, what is n, and what is d. So an here is nth term of AP. What is n? What is a? A is the first term of AP. N is number of terms of AP and D is common difference. Okay. Nth term of AP, An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is nth term of AP, A is first term of AP, N is number of terms of AP, D is common difference. Fourth question, write the pair of linear equations 2x plus 3y is equals to 6 and y minus x is equals to 2 in standard form and write the values of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Okay, so it's very easy actually. We have to write these two equations which are given to us in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. So I will compare this with, I will compare 2x plus 3y is equals to 6 with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Okay, so since I have to write this in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, all terms should be on LHS in the standard form. So I will bring this plus 6 also on LHS. So it becomes 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. Next, what do we do? First, I will write y minus x is equals to 2 in the standard form. First, what do we have? X term. So first, I will write minus x. Then what do we have? Y term, that is plus y. Why am I writing plus y? Because I don't have any symbol before y, so it means it is plus. Then I will bring this also on the LHS because I want on RHS 0. So plus 2 if it comes aside becomes minus 2 is equals to 0. Now I'll compare this with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Comparing minus x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0 with a standard form of linear equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. These formulas you have to remember, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Okay, so when we compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, we find out that what is a1 here? A1 is the coefficient of x. So what is the coefficient of x we have? 2. Similarly, what is b1? Coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y we have? 3. So b1 is equals to 3. Then similarly, what is c1? C1 is the constant. Here c1 is minus 6. So write minus 6. What students do, the common mistake is that they forget to write the sign whenever minus is there. So write minus also here because we have sign minus. Similarly, now we are going to compare this with a2. A2, what is A2 here? The coefficient of x is called as A2. So here we don't have anything we can see. Means it is nothing but 1. Okay, because 1 multiplied by x will be x only. So what do we have? Sign minus 1. So what is A2 if I compare? Minus 1. What is B2? Similarly here I don't have any number, means it is 1. But here we have sign plus. So B2 is equals to plus 1. And what is C2? C2 is a constant which is minus 2 here. So we have written the terms A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 as it asked is in the question. So always whenever it asks such type of questions, just compare with the standard formula A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equals to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equals to 0. If they are not in standard form, you have to make it in standard form. See, this was not in standard form. So I have made it in standard form. How? By bringing all the RHS terms to LHS. And first always write x term, then y term, then constant. Here also first y was there, then x was there, and then constant was there. We have made it in proper form, x, y, and then constant, and then 0 on RHS. And then we have written the values of A2, B2, and C2. Okay, so be careful with that. Fifth question, if the quadratic equation 3x square minus 2kx plus 8 is equals to 0 has two equal roots, show that k is equals to plus or minus 2 root 6. So here we have to find out the value of k it is telling, and it is telling that this quadratic equation has equal roots. So what can I write here? Given 3x square minus 2kx plus 8 is equals to 0 has equal roots. Remember what is the meaning of equal roots? Equal roots means we have to equate the discriminant d to 0. So what is the discriminant value we have? B square minus 4ac. So we have equated the value of b square minus 4ac to 0. So first we have to compare this with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So if we compare 3x square minus 2kx plus 8 is equals to 0 with the standard form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we get a is 3, b is minus 2 into k. You should also write k here because the coefficient of x is minus 2k and c is 8. Now substitute all these values of a, b, c in the discriminant formula, b square minus 4ac. So we'll write b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. That is nothing but, what is b here? Minus 2k whole square minus 4 into what is a? 3 into what is c? 8 is equals to 0. So here we have minus into minus is plus because it is 2 whole square. That is nothing but 4 into k square minus 4 3s are 12. 12 8s are 8 2s are 16. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. We have 96. Okay, is equals to 0. So we have 4k square is equals to 96, or we have k square is equals to 96 by 4. See here we have 2 4s are 8, 1 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Okay, now if you observe here we have 24, right? K square is equals to 24. But here I need the value of k. So send the square that side. Whenever square goes that side, remember it will become root. And you will have to write plus as well as minus. Okay, because you will have two roots. And one will be plus, one will be minus. So plus minus root of 24. Now find out the root of 24 by prime factorization. 3 8s are 24. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now how to write these prime factors? What pair we can make that as pair. Since we have square root here, we'll make the two numbers as one pair, and I'll take from these two numbers one common. That is, from these two and this two, 1 2 is common. I'll write outside, and I see that 1 3 and 1 2 is left singly. So these I'll write inside the root. 3 2s are 6. So I got k is equals to plus minus 2 root 6. And here it told me to write the value of k as plus or minus 2 root 6 only to show that. So I have proven it. Sixth question, find the value of x if 2, x, 10 are three consecutive terms of an AP. It's given that 2, x and 10 are three consecutive terms of AP. Three consecutive terms of AP means the terms which are one after another. So remember, we have a formula. If a, b, c are three consecutive terms of an AP, then we have a relationship between these three terms. That is, I will have b is equals to a plus c by 2. This is a formula which we have if the three terms are consecutive. Consecutive means one after another. So if you observe here, what is a? A here is 2, b here is x, and c here is 10. So if I write it in this form, b is equals to a plus c by 2, then substitute it. What is b? We have x is equals to a is 2 plus c is 10 by 2. X is equals to 10 plus 2 is 12 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. So we got the value of x as 6. So remember this formula, b is equals to a plus c by 2 if the three terms are consecutive. The formula to find out mode of group data is, what is group data? Group data is the data which is given in the form of rows and columns. So it is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula to find out mode of group data. L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Where what is L here? L is the lower limit of modal class because it told me to explain the terms. It's an important formula. Then we have F1 is frequency of modal class. F0 is frequency of class preceding the modal class. Preceding means before. What is F2? F2 is the frequency of class succeeding the modal class. Succeeding means after. What is H? H is class size. Okay. So we have mode of group data is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. We have written what is L, F1, F0, F2, H. Eighth question. Calculate the length of tangent from a point 29 centimeter away from the center of a circle of radius 20 centimeter. So here in this question, it's given that the length of tangent we have to calculate, and the distance is given as 29 centimeter and the radius is given as 20 centimeter. That is, it is telling here us that telling us that there is a circle and there is a center. Let the center be O. We have to calculate the length of tangent from a point 29 centimeter away from the center of a circle. So here it is telling that there is a point and that point is 29 centimeter away from the center of circle. So let this point be P, which is 29 centimeter away from the center of a circle. Okay, and it is telling me that there is a tangent. Okay, I have to calculate the length of the tangent. Let the point of contact be A here, which touches the circle. This is my tangent AP. I have to calculate this tangent length. Tangent means the line which intersects the circle at one point. And this is my radius if I join A and O, because I know radius is the distance from center to a point on the circle. So OA, radius is also given as 20 centimeter. So I have to calculate this AP. So how is this triangle? Remember, always the radius will be perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, so this is my radius OA. So OA will be perpendicular to tangent AP. Perpendicular means the angle between OA and AP will be 90 degrees. So what can I say? This is a triangle, right angle triangle OAP, because here the angle has become 90 degrees, angle OAP. Okay, what is the reason? Because we have a theorem, radius is perpendicular to tangent. So I can say in triangle OAP, hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. Right. Now how to find out which is hypotenuse? I'll give you a hint. This is 90 degree, right? The hypotenuse is the longest side of right angle triangle, and also the hypotenuse is the side of a triangle which is opposite to 90 degree. So which side is opposite to 90 degree here? OP is a side which is opposite to 90 degree here. So here I can write OP square is equals to OA square plus AP square. How I have written this? Because I know that by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. Here my hypotenuse is OP. Okay, because it is opposite to 90 degree. So what is OP given to us, and what is this theorem called? Pythagoras theorem. This is an important concept also from tangents and secants. Okay, so we see that in practice paper 1 and practice paper 2, questions on tangent are asked very much, right? So, and here I am given OP is equals to 29 centimeter and OA is equals to how much? 20 centimeter, and I have to find out AP here, to find AP, right? So what is the hypotenuse given to me here? 29. Substitute here is equals 29 square is equals to side square. OA is given as 20 square plus AP is given. We have to find out AP, length of tangent, right? So what is 29 square? Find out. 29 square means 29 into 29. 9 nines are 81. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. 2 nines are 18. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 as it is. 8 plus 6 is 14. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 841 is 29 square. And 20 square. How to find out 20 square? 2 square is 4 and 0 square means 0 2 times. So what is 20 square? 400. Okay. Plus AP square. Or you can find out also 20 into 20. You will get 400 only. So AP square is equals to 841 as it is. Okay. Plus 400 if it comes aside becomes minus 400. So subtract these both. 841 minus 400. 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 0, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. 441. Okay. So AP square is 441. But I don't want AP square. I want only AP. So send the square that side. When square goes that side becomes square root. So I got AP is equals to square root of 441. Remember what is square root of 441? Square root of 441 is 21 square is 441. Okay. See. 21 into 21. Remember the perfect squares list. Okay, I have a video uploaded on perfect squares. You can go and watch that. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. See, 1, 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 441. So what is square root of 441? 21 centimeter. See here, even if I write this square root of 441 as plus or minus, I can know that the side cannot be negative. That is why I have taken only plus 21 centimeter as AP. So therefore, what is the length of tangent? Length of tangent is 21 centimeter. Ninth question. Find the volume of the largest sphere that can be cut out of a cube whose edge is 14 centimeter. That is, here they are telling us that there is a cube and the edge of the cube is 14 centimeter. Let the edge be A here. And they are telling that we have to find out a sphere which can be cut out of a cube. Means in a cube we have a sphere, that is the concept used here, and we have to find out the volume of that largest sphere which can be cut out of from a cube. We can cut so many spheres from the cube, right? But we have to find out the volume of the largest sphere which can be cut out from this cube. So largest sphere will obviously have a diameter which will be equal to this side A, right? That is, this is my diameter and this is also my edge. So inside the cube I have a circle now. So this diameter of a sphere will be equal to edge of a cube. So what is the diameter become? 14 centimeters. Since given to us this edge is 14 centimeter. Because the sphere is coming out from the diameter also and that sphere is largest. So diameter is equals to edge of a cube. So here we can write given edge of a cube is equals to diameter of a sphere is equals to how much? 14 centimeter. That is also equal to edges. We are assuming A and D we know is 14 centimeter. And we have to find out volume of largest sphere. We know volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we need the radius r here, right? So here, but what is given? Diameter is given. So we have to find out radius. What is radius? Radius is equals to diameter by 2. So what is the diameter given to us? 14. So 14 by 2 means it is 7 centimeter. So find out the volume of cube. Volume of cube is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 into what is pi? 22 by 7. R cube means r 3 times. It is 7 into 7 into 7. Okay. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. Okay. This 3 won't go in 4, won't go in 2, won't go in 7, won't go in 7. Right. So that is nothing but what how to do? Multiply these numerators. 22 to 4s are 88 and 7 7s are 49. So I can write 88 into 49. Find it out. 88 into 49. 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 7 is 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 79. And we have 4 8s are 32. Right? 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 3 is 34, 35, 36. So we have 2. And here we have 9 plus 2 is 11. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have 4, 4, 1, 2 in numerator divided by 3. Okay, divided. 3 divided by 4, 4, 1, 2. 3 ones are 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, 4, 3 fours are 12, 4 minus 2 is 2, 1, 3 sevens are 21, sorry, 3 sevens are 21, and take 2 this down, take 2 down, we have 3 zeros are 0, 2, put a point, bring down 0, 3 6 are 18, okay, 20 minus 8 is 2, 0, 3 6 are 18, so we have 1470.66 is 4412 by 3. 1470.66. What is the unit of volume? Centimeter cube. Okay. Show that secant theta minus tan theta whole square is 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. So here I'll take LHS and make it equal to RHS, that is 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta as the answer. Okay. So here I'll take LHS. What is my LHS given to me? Secant theta minus tan theta whole square. That is my LHS. So how can I write secant theta as? I can write secant theta as 1 by cos theta, because I know secant theta is 1 by cos theta. You should know the formulas for doing this. And tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta in terms of cos theta whole square. That implies LCM of cos theta and cos theta is cos theta. Cos theta divided by cos theta is, this is whole square. 1 into 1 is 1, minus cos theta divided by cos theta is 1. 1 into sin theta is sin theta. So we have 1 minus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. Now it is in the form of, we have 1 minus sin theta whole square is equals to, in the answer I have 1 plus sin theta, and in the numerator already I have 1 minus sin theta, but I have whole square. So now convert this cos square theta in terms of sin square theta. How can I write cos square theta in terms of sin square theta? I know I have a formula and a relation between cos square theta and sin square theta. I know there is a formula. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. I need the value of cos square theta here, right? How to find out the value of cos square theta? Send the sin square theta that side, so it becomes plus sin square theta. If it goes that side, it becomes minus sin square theta. So I got the value of cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. So in place of cos square theta, what you should write? 1 minus, so I can write cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. Now I have 1 minus sin theta whole square by, I can write this as 1, I can write this 1 as 1 square. 1 square minus sin square theta. Why? Because I know 1 square is 1. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So keep this numerator 1 minus sin theta whole square as it is. It is in the form of a square minus b square, and we know a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. What is a? If you compare, a is 1 and b is sin theta. So a plus b into a minus b. And similarly, I can open this and write this 1 minus sin theta whole square as 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. How are we writing this as like this? Because see, I know, right? 2 square is 4. I can write 2 square as 4, or I can write 2 into 2 is 4. Similarly, I can write 1 minus sin theta whole square is 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Like I wrote 2 square is 2 into 2 by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Now I have 1 minus sin theta numerator, 1 minus sin theta denominator, so both will get cancelled. 1 minus sin theta 1 1 minus sin theta 1. What is left in RHS? 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay. In the question, it told me to write it in the form of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta also. So we took the LHS, secant theta minus tan theta whole square, and we got 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta as the answer. 11th question. Write the formula to find the volume of cylinder and explain the terms in it. See, any shape can be asked in the exam. Cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, a cube, cuboid. Practice all these shapes well from mensuration in 2 marks. So, volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. Okay, and we have to specify what is pi. Volume of cylinder is V. So, what is V here? V is volume of cylinder. What is pi? Pi is either 22 by 7, or it can also be written as 3.14. What is R? Radius of cylinder. What is H? Height of cylinder. If you want and if you have time, you can also draw the shape of the cylinder and write R and H there. That is radius and height. Okay. So this is my cylinder. This is my radius. Okay. And this is my height H. Okay. 12th question. The angle of depression from the top of a building of height 20 meters at a point on the ground is 30 degree. draw the suitable diagram for this data. So I don't have to solve this question. I just have to draw the suitable diagram for the data given to me. So in the diagram, I have the term angle of depression. See, angle of depression is the angle below the horizontal. It means that here it is telling me one thing, that there is a building. So I will draw a building. Let this be my building, where building here is, let us suppose A is the top and B is the bottom of the building. And here it is telling me that the angle of depression from the top of a building of height 20 meter at a point on the ground, means the building touches this ground, right? This ground is also here as horizontal. Ground is my horizontal also here. So let this be C. So there is a point on the ground, okay, and we have to draw this also. Okay, this is also my horizontal. So it is telling that angle of depression is there. Angle of depression from the top of a building to a point on the ground means angle of depression is the angle taken below the horizontal, right? So from the top of the building to the ground, first I will join both of them. Top, this is my top of the building. With a scale you have to join. Okay, here I am doing roughly because right now I don't have a scale. From the top of a building to the point on the ground, join them. Now what is the angle of depression? From the horizontal to this is called as line of sight. So when I see from the top to the point, there is a line of sight, and the angle made from the horizontal to the line of sight is how much? 30 degree given to me here. Okay, so if this is 30 degree, then this is also 30 degree. Why? Because we know that alternate interior angles are equal. How is it? See, it is like this now. This is my transversal. This is one angle and this is also one more angle. So these are alternate interior angles. So whatever data I draw anytime, that data, and here height is also given. You have to write it in the diagram, and also you can write where h is height of building. This is C, okay. That is also equal to AB, and C is a point on the ground. And what is the angle? You write that also. What is the angle we have taken? Let this be D. Angle DAC is equals to angle ACB. That is equals to how much? 30 degrees. Okay, and here BC is the ground and AD is the horizontal. So this finishes all our questions of 2 marks. If you have found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed and all the very best for all your exams.